How to pay hotel in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to pay in hotel in booking.com. So then to begin with, open up your application, that is booking.com, and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to pay for the hotel, first of all you need to book. For that, click on stays, and after that you need to enter your destiny. After that, you need to select the date and time when you're actually going to stay on that particular place and for how long. And after that, click on the select date. Once you've done that, click on the search button, which is right at the bottom, and it's going to show you a list of hotels that is available on booking.com. Now select the hotel that is reliable and that you wish to stay over there. And if you're sure about this particular room, then click on select room, which is right at the bottom, and this is going to take you to the place where you need to click on reserve. So click on the select room, and after that click on the reserve button. Now this is going to take you to the information page. Over here you need to provide in your last name, your country of your residence, your mobile number, and all that. After that, click on next step, which is right at the bottom, and here you go, you have all this amount and all that. Now click on final step. So basically there are two different ways of doing a payment method. Now the first method is you can just provide in some advance, that is a certain amount of money, and then after that when you arrive to hotel you can just pay it on the reception. Apart from that, you can also do it online, that is either through a PayPal or either via your MasterCard and all that, or your Visa. So select the method and click on the book now button, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully booked a hotel at the same time and you've paid for your hotel. So in this way you can pay for hotel in booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.